The threat. Microsoft faces a breach by APT29, a sophisticated cyber group tied to Russia's SVR since 2008, posing a persistent threat to national security and critical infrastructure. Intrusion and concerns. Midnight Blizzard penetrates Microsoft's networks, utilizing stolen email data, raising fears of widespread data exploitation and vulnerability exploitation. Security measures. The breach underscores the importance of MFA, Zero Trust architecture, and proactive threat hunting to mitigate risks and enhance cybersecurity resilience. Industry response. Tenable's CEO urges heightened security measures, emphasizing transparency and robust incident response plans for effective mitigation and recovery.